All right, all right. It's the end of the day, and oh, what a sell-off we had in the afternoon. All right, basically, there really was no surprise. Initially, the written statement seemed a little soft. Powell came out and reaffirmed that his goal is to control the economy or control inflation. Really, to me, it felt as though it was posturing because he didn't want the market to surge the way it did. And had we not had that run up prior to his meeting, I think that he might have been a little bit softer. But it appears to me that he's using the market to slow down the economy a little bit and get a return. But no surprises, really. Nothing new happening. So really no fear here. I think that the program is priced in. I think it's a good time to buy. Technically, what happened here was a retrace, dink, of the move up. Here's the move up from Monday, I believe it was. And we retraced. We tagged that 61.8%, and now we're pulling back. Okay, so this is a bear flag, but based on the retrace, theoretically, this is a good place to start getting involved in the market. I mean, the day's over, and we'll have to see what tomorrow holds. But I'm thinking that this was a healthy retrace on this move up, and it could aid us in continuing up. And I'm kind of happy we did that because I wouldn't have wanted to run up and then have this gap here. So this is interesting. I really had thought that this gap would have been my target once we met some highs, but apparently not. Maybe tomorrow we'll gap up and leave a gap below us or what have you. So, but this would have been a logical gap if we moved up to come back down to make the trend. But when we look at the 60-minute, the momentum's getting a little hard. But if you look at the daily momentum, it still seems like it's rolling around a little bit. So, and this is, it's still an uptrend. This bar is higher than this bar. It made a higher high and a higher low, which is cool. Maybe tomorrow we get to make a higher high and a higher low. I wouldn't mind that one bit. So we'll just have to take a look tomorrow, see how we open up. We have a big trading range tomorrow, which is going to make it difficult to take trades because you'll be chopping within this range if we get an inside day tomorrow. So we don't want that. We don't want to chop within the range. We want to either take a break of the low or a break of the high. So we'll see what's going on. Maybe we'll get a good range day. We'll set our opening range and be able to trade within that. So anyway, you like what I'm doing? Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Check me out on Twitter. It's at trading_off. I appreciate all the support and have a good evening.